again. I swear this happens whenever it gets cold out. I better get it in the shop. Howdy y'all, this is Blake Cobble from Russ Darrow Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram of West Bend, and I wanted to let you know now that it's starting to get a little colder outside, one important thing to check on your vehicle is its battery. Now we don't know when batteries are going to go out, but you can definitely bet on it eventually going out. The typical lifespan of a battery for cars is about 5 to 2 years, but it depends on a varying amount of factors. It's not actually the cold temperatures that kill your battery, it's coming out from the hot season that evaporates some of those fluids and can reduce the lifespan of the cells. But one great thing we offer here at Russ Darrow is we can check your battery's level, see if it needs to be replaced, and if you do want to get it replaced, we have some great coupons that you can get it done for as low as $99.95. So if that's something that you're interested in, and with these cold months coming on, I highly recommend getting your battery checked. Come on down to the service center at Russ Darrow Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, and we'll get you taken care of today.